Hey y'all, this is a quick video to say how excited I am to see each of you in Aspen, Colorado next week for our 21st Century Collegiate Ministry Resource Design Retreat led by Rashida Graham Washington and her team from Chicago, as well as Tony McNeil from Atlanta and myself from Mere Christianity Forum here in Travelers Rest, South Carolina. Totally pumped to get together with you all to take our discern work forward around collegiate ministry values and to collaboratively design about 7, maybe 10 different resources for collegiate ministry. Some of you will be coming with ideas that I've already talked with you about, or that you've sort of felt drawn to co-create this week, and you'll find partners there to help you do that and a process to help you do that. Others of you are coming to be a part of this work, not having a design in mind, and the design process that we're going to go through actually will lend itself to the Spirit's leadership, that you may come with one idea and you may find yourself drawn to another resource, and that's great. We want to work collaboratively together to discern and design these resources, 7 to 10 different collegiate ministry resources. And I'm so excited about what each of you is bringing. We've got about 32 people from across the United States as far as Hawaii. And we just are going to be a really fun group to work with. And what better place than the Aspen Institute in Aspen, Colorado. I know that the context will lift your spirits, and the process will hopefully lift our hearts unto the Lord, so that we can work together to bring forth what God is trying to speak to us and share with us, that it may bless young adults through our ministry. A couple of reminders. There'll be airport transportation provided once you hit the ground in Aspen to get to the hotel. We're going to begin promptly at 3 p.m. on Monday, and the check-in is from like 1 to 3 on Monday, and you'll find that in the Dur Hosier building, or the Dur Hosier Center there at the Aspen Institute complex. A couple of other reminders. Some of the key principles and practices and things that we want to attend to is some Wesleyan distinctives, things like scripture, tradition, reason, and experience, as well as mercy and piety as means of grace. Those will be some of the subtext or the theological frameworks upon which we build these resources. Likewise, we'll be holding the very live question: how will each of these resources support the vocational exploration and discernment of vocations in general, but in particular to Christian ministry? Those will be some of the real undergirding frameworks that we'll use in these designs. You'll have a host of readings and videos that will come to you in this email, and we need you to attend to those between now and when you come to Aspen. Some of it you can do once you're in Aspen, but in general, the more you can do in terms of watching the videos that are linked and reading the pre-readings, which are not lengthy, before you come, the more you can join us already equipped and prepared to hit the ground running in this really dynamic design process we'll be engaging together. Know that I'm praying for you, and the rest of my leadership team is praying for you, and know that your gifts are honored and valued, and everything that you bring is so welcome at this retreat. I hope that the context in which we will be doing this work will encourage our mutuality and encouragement of one another, and that we will leave this experience better for it. I know that collegiate ministry in America will be better for it. Thank you so much for your generosity of time and spirit and committing to this experience and giving generously of your time and resources to be here. I can't thank you enough. I'm excited to be with you all, and safe travels, and you're in our prayers.